welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're hopefully gonna start the STI. If you haven't checked out the overview video of the total STI, go ahead and check it out. Today hopefully we're gonna be able to start it. I'll show you guys how we're gonna do that in just a sec. So the reason we can't start the STI is because of this pinched timing belt. My brother and I took this apart and we see that it is all pinched up right against its frame rail. Plan is to grab the Bobcat, grab the skid steer, and try to that side over there, kind of tug it to the left. Or we got the tow hook, we'll screw it right in there and then try to pull it that way, and then hopefully we'll be able to give it a crank and hopefully the motor isn't blown. Just moving the car. We'll see. So after that tug, still no movement. You want to try it this way, come in, just kind of push it out. The plan is to grab a chain, hook it up here, hook the chain in the rear of the skid steer, and then give it a tug. We just need an inch, maybe a little less, just to free up this area. Okay, stop. No, stop. I mean, maybe like a millimeter, but
let me just tug it like one or two more times and see what happens.
okay. Still the same. Tugging it with the skid steer didn't work. We tried basically hooking the chain up to here through the tow hook, and then we also tried to push it with the bucket right down there to kind of nudge it just a bit. So yeah, the plan now is to take this cover off, this little plastic piece. Hopefully it'll give us enough clearance to start the car. All right, now we got a little bit more room to work with. I'm gonna try to break that plastic cover from the bottom side as well. See how it goes. So I'm unable to yank this plastic piece out from in between the timing belt and the frame rail. I'm gonna take the crash beam off and then try to just slightly nudge the frame rail with the skid steer. So that's the new plan. Got the crash beam off, and I want the skid steer to come in here with this fork, try to push that frame rail, hopefully breaking this loose. We're getting really close. We got the plastic out, and I cut the rad support so the frame rail, if it wants to move, it can move freely. Not touching at all. Look, I'll bring it back. Давай еще раз. И все. Yep. That's really good. It worked though. That's so awesome. By the way, taking some stuff apart, and I saw that the cat is missing. So it's another part. Plenty of room to start. All right, well. Did it go good?
Yeah, it's spun.
I want to spin it a few times and then start it.
Oh, yeah.
Let's check it over. I mean, you come here.
Is there any fuses missing?
Well, these two.
Let me see. It seems like the fuel pump fuse is taken out or something.
We checked all the fuses, how they're supposed to be from the factory. Doesn't look like any of them are blown. And I did charge up the battery, but maybe it still doesn't have enough juice to operate. So we think this battery is actually completely dead. It definitely charged a little bit. I had those cranks, but I don't think it had enough juice to crank it over. We brought the Ford Raptor, and I guess the battery just completely died. So brother's gonna grab his battery from his Subaru. Got the new battery in. Moment of truth. Here we go. So unfortunately, we weren't able to start it. Seems like it wants to go, but we think it could be some sort of safety thing when you crash these cars. That fuse breaks and you can't start it, something like that. If you guys know what this could be, possibly, please reach out to me in the comments below. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.